Hello everybody, welcome to Unit 10. Let's start with future tense with will. Some examples. I will buy a new phone. You will study the exam. We will donate some money. They will organize a campaign. She will make a cake. He will invite friends. It will rain tomorrow. To make it negative, we need to change the will to will not, or contracted form won't. I won't buy a new phone. You won't study the exam, or also we can say you will not. I will not. We won't donate some money. They won't organize a campaign. She won't make a cake. He won't invite friends. It won't rain tomorrow. So, if you want to make a question, just you need to put will in the beginning of the sentence and before the subject. Will I buy a new phone? Will you study the exam? Will we donate some money? Will they organize a campaign? Will she make a cake? Will he invite friends? Will it rain tomorrow? Also, it is possible to make a WH word question. What will they drink? When will we start? Who will answer the phone? Let's read something together. Read this one. What was the largest hurricane to hit the United States? Wind speed, cost of damage, death, intensity, and width are a few ways to define the largest hurricane. If using wind speed, intensity, or width as the definition, it is necessary to explain whether the measurement was recorded at landfall or was it the highest measurement recorded in the hurricane's life cycle. The Great Galveston Hurricane of 1900 was the deadliest hurricane to ever hit the United States. Estimates of the number of lives lost range between 8,000 and 12,000 people. The number of people killed and the number of people involved in the recovery efforts were so large that an accurate count of fatalities was impossible to obtain. The storm reached the Texas coast south of Galveston on September the 8th, 1900s, as a Category 4 hurricane with a storm surge of 8 to 15 feet. The lack of warning and the high storm surge caused this storm to have the highest death toll of any United States hurricane. Today, we are lucky to have weather satellites and aircraft monitoring the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. These usually give us at least a few days of warning in advance of an approaching tropical storm or hurricane. These warnings were not available in 1900. As a result, people did not have time to prepare for the storm, and the importance of evacuation was not realized. Let's do some activities together. Answer the questions according to the text. Which picture shows the disaster mentioned in the text above? For sure, it is photo B, which shows a hurricane. Which of the following is the cause of hurricane? Very fast wind is the answer. What is the name of the hurricane that hit America in 1900? The Great Galveston Hurricane. Where are the weather satellites today? The Atlantic Ocean and Gulf of Mexico. What was the estimated number of lives lost in the hurricane? Between 8,000 and 12,000 people. Using some conjunctions. How to use conjunctions? To show the reason, we can use because of or because. Some examples. I didn't go to school today because it was holiday after the disaster. We couldn't go to the beach because it was windy. Now, also, some examples with because of. They were very stressed because of fire. The schools were on holiday because of the flood. As you see, after because we have a sentence, after because of we have a noun. To show the result, we use so. An example, there was a horrible hurricane, so everybody stayed at home. Or people were afraid of the lightning, so they didn't go out. Or the weather was rainy, so we didn't go to the beach. It is expected to massive tsunami in the ocean, so we didn't swim.